Some words sound the same, but their meanings don't match. Tricky, tricky, wordy pairs help you spot what's that. So come along this journey, listen close and compare. Funny little scenes ahead, learnings everywhere. Peace and peace, night and night, sail and sail, break and break, stare and stare, where and where, hare and hare, heel and heel.
Hello? Do you have paper and pencil ready? Let's go through those words. Here we go.
Peace and peace. They made peace and shared a piece of pizza. Make some peace, share a piece. Kind hearts help us all feel nice. Night and night. Night at night, riding right. Hold on tight. Out of sight. Sail and sail. Off we went to buy a sail. Couldn't miss that big, big sail. Don't let it slide, hold it tight. Drop it? Oh no, you just might. Break and break.
See this brake cable?
Brake won't work. A break in the cable.
Stop safely.
We will fix it fast if we are able. Stair and stare. Gran, why do you stare so at the stair? Tommy is here to help you get up there. Stare is a way of looking, no sound. Stair is for stepping, up or down. Where and where. Oh my! Oh dear, what they wear looks funny here. They don't know what to wear today, and where to be with it, I would say. Where is clothes, hat, socks and shoes. Where is a place, pick one to choose. Hare and hare. She combed and smoothed her hair, when, wait, she saw something zip past there. A hare hopped by her window. Whoa! She dashed to look. Where did he go? Heel and heel. To help it heal, the doctor said, I'll wrap your heel, and gently did. Walk with care, not fast, just slow. All better soon, and off you go.
Let's look at all those words again. Have you got paper and pencil ready? Right, here we go.
Peace and peace.
Thank goodness.
Their countries went to war over one piece of land. Now there can be peace and a shake of the hand.
Right along this river immediately.
Night and night. The knight scrubbed his armour till it glittered bright. I clean best after bedtime, he laughed in the night. Sail and sail. The sailboats are ready. The sail is a blast. Buy your big sailboat and sail off real fast. Break and break. Don't brake too hard with glass on your truck, or bottles will break. Oh no, bad luck.
Stair and stare.
A curious stare from the cat up there, as step by step they climb the stair with care.
Where and where. Where you ride, you don't know the path ahead. Always wear your helmet to protect your head. Hare and Hare.
The brown hare twitched his nose and spoke with care. Your ginger fur looks fluffier than my hair.
Heel and heel.
His injured heel needs lots of care to heal, I'd say. Lots of rest and keep the weight off it, that's the way.
These videos were made using ChatGPT, Grok Imagine, Google AI, Filmora, Qwen 3, Galaxy AI, and Create Studio. Try them, links to them are below. Thanks for watching our videos. See you in our next video. Bye for now.